Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to solve problem on linked list. So problem number 8 is 876 on lead code, finding the middle node of the linked list. So finding the middle node of the linked list can be a bit tricky because linked list can be of odd size or even size. So if it is like odd number of size node, then third node will be, let's say for this example, if there are five nodes, then third node will be the middle node of the linked list. So if it is the even size linked list, so if it has six nodes, then the fourth node will be the middle of the linked list. So lead code is accepting 3 and 4. So then we have to return the second one. If there are two middle, then we have to return the second one. So we can solve it by using normal approach as well, which will be counting the nodes of the linked list in first pass. So if we count the node in the linked list and then divide, let's say that value will be n, and divide that value to 2, and whatever the value n by 2, traverse again that linked list. So traverse again linked list and then till uh, till n by 2th position and then return that position. So in this case we are traversing linked list twice. So what if we want to do the same thing in one pass only? That means in only single traverser we have to find the middle node of the linked list. So this is very common problem which is asked in many companies for data structure interviews. So not necessary for C++ interview, only for any programming language data structure interview is there, and in that interview it is very common problem to find the middle node of the linked list. So approach is like this: we have to maintain two pointer. One is slow pointer and one is fast pointer. Slow pointer will point to move one position. Slow equal to slow arrow next, but fast will move to fast arrow next arrow next. That means by two positions. So when this fast return to null, then at that point slow will be at the middle position of the linked list. I hope you got the solution. So we are maintaining two pointer, one is slow pointer and one is fast pointer. Slow pointer will move by one position at a time and fast pointer will move two position at a time. So once fast reach to the end of the linked list, our slow pointer will be pointing to the middle of the linked list that we want to return. Uh, so let's try to solve it on lead code first. So let's declare one node slow equal to head, fast equal to head. Okay, then we have to traverse till fast become null. So while fast null not equal to fast and end, because fast is traversing two positions, so we have to be sure that okay, its next to next is also should not be null. So fast next should not be null. Okay, so we are accessing these two positions, so that's why we should be sure that okay, we are going to access fast next. So that's why fast next should not be null. If we are going to access fast next and it is null, then it will give us a segmentation fault. So to avoid that, we need to have two more conditions. Okay, so slow will move by one position, slow equal to slow arrow next, and fast will move by fast arrow next, that is one position. For two position, fast arrow next. Okay, so then it will return slow, that will be our middle node of the linked list. Yeah, so it's very simple one. Let's see whether it works for sample test case. Yeah, it worked for sample test case. So let's try to run all the test cases. by submitting the code. Yes, it worked for all the test cases. So I hope you understood the video. So I will put the GitHub link of this solution into my into the description box. So please do check it out. If you found this video useful, then please like the video, share it with your friends, comment on it if for any doubts, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Happy coding.